Hey guys, so I wanted to go a little bit through the script, kind of go through it, beginning to end, give you a good idea on what's going on and show you how smooth it can be. So I'm just gonna pretend I'm calling a business, and I will obviously, role play as if it's myself calling, somebody else back. Hi, this is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. How are you doing this morning? I'm doing great. Awesome. Do you have a quick 27 seconds I can borrow, or are you busy with six things? I'm busy, but I can spare 27 seconds. Awesome. So Danny actually shot a 7-minute custom video, shows you how to increase your online presence, get some more customers and help beat out the competition. What's the best email I can send that to? Oh, well, it's uh, xyz@yahoo.com. Awesome. How do you spell that? It's spelled xyz@yahoo.com. Perfect. Now, I did not catch your name at the beginning. What was it? It was Bob. Pleasure to meet you, Bob. Are you going to be the one watching this? Yes, I am. Perfect. So here's what Danny's actually going to send that out before the end of the day. Last thing, it's 7 minutes total. Would it be impossible for you to watch that tonight so that we can call you tomorrow and get some feedback? No, that's not impossible at all. Excellent. Hey, you have an amazing day. Bye.